Episode 6, Ice Cream's Chili Meltdown. Snack Size Science. Why does ice cream melt?
I'm Scoopy, your favorite frosty treat. I love being cold, creamy, and super yummy. But have you ever noticed, if I hang out in the sunshine for too long, or even just in a warm room, I start to get a bit drippy? Why do I go from a frozen delight to a melty puddle? Let's chill out and discover the science. The secret to my amazing frozen form is my superpowered inner circle, the Crystal Crew. These are billions of tiny frozen water crystals, all packed tightly together. They are what make me solid, cold, and able to hold my shapes so perfectly. They are like the icy building blocks of me.
Stay frosty, solid and strong.
I feel a warm breeze. Or maybe it's the sun giving me a super warm hug. When things around me start to get warmer, my Crystal Crew starts to feel it too. That warmth is like a wake-up call for my icy Crystal Crew. They start to get a bit sleepy and can't hold on to each other so tightly anymore. They begin to change back into their original form, tiny droplets of water.
Oh dear, getting warmer.
And as more and more of my Crystal Crew turn back into water, I can't stay solid and firm anymore. I start to get soft, then drippy, then it's a sweet, soupy transformation, all thanks to those warming up ice crystals. Science is a treat, even when it's a bit messy. So, my chili meltdown is just my icy Crystal Crew relaxing back into water when things get warm. From frosty to flowing, that's my cool science story.
Snack-sized science fun fact. Did you know that a little bit of salt can actually make ice melt even faster? That's why people sometimes put salt on icy roads in winter. It helps the ice turn back into water more quickly. How cool is that for staying safe? So, see you next time for another bite-sized adventure.